everyone, my name is Kintia Stubbs. I've recently taken fluid mechanics in the winter 2024 with Dr. Berry, and I'm just here to give you guys some, quick tips on how I was able to pass with an 8. Starting off, follow the path. Honestly, I used to joke around with it in the beginning, like follow the path, but that's literally all you need to do. Dr. Berry literally gives you the toolbox on how you approach and solve a problem. You just honestly need to know how to, and that is where the practice comes in. If you don't practice, you're not going to be able to do it over, I promise you, because I'm someone, I never really used to, rework a lot of problems and solve them over and over to get the answer. Like, I would follow along in the class and it's like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. And that's how I was in fluid starting off. And that is how I did not do so great on the first assessment, is because I had that habit. So practice, practice, practice. You need to practice the problems, do the homework problems, because that is literally the key into how you're going to be able to master fluid mechanics. The definitions, I was someone who did not really appreciate them at first, but if you don't know what it is you are doing, if you can't explain it, then you don't know how to apply it properly. Simple things like picking out stagnation and static points. If you don't know the definition, you can't really pick it out in a problem and know, okay, you need to take out velocity for stagnation point, that's 0. You really wouldn't understand that and understand why he is doing that if you see him do that. So practice, 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 understanding your definitions and just applying the equations. The equations don't change, and geometry literally does not matter because the equations don't change and the concepts are all the same. So what I'd say to you guys is practice, 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 go over your definitions, and definitely utilize Dr. Berry's help, because it may be something that you missed in class, and just going over it once more may actually help it click for you. So those are my tips to you guys. Follow the path. Just follow the path, guys, and in the end, you will honestly make it out like I did.